Hello, myself lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare. Today we are going to discuss about the topic prescription from pharmaceutics to prescription. A medical prescription RX is an order often in written form issued by a qualified healthcare professional, for example physician and dentist, to a pharmacist or other therapist for a treatment, medicine or device to be provided to their patient. Types of prescription: there are total 5 types of prescription: simple prescription, compound or complex prescription, e-prescription means electronic prescription, inpatient prescription, and narcotic prescription. The simple prescription, those written for a single component or prefabricated product and not requiring compounding or admixture by the pharmacist. Compound or complex prescription, those written for more than a single component and requiring compounding. E-prescription, electronic prescription, the use of electronic means for the generation and transmission of prescriptions is used and accepted in some countries. Inpatient prescription, a medication order form used in the hospital setting. In addition, other forms may be used within a hospital by specialized units such as infectious disease, cardiac care, pediatric, and others. Narcotic prescription contains a narcotic substance or other habit-forming drugs. It must contain, in addition to the contents of the simple prescription, the address of the patient, the narcotic registry number of the prescriber. The quantities of the narcotic substance must be written in words and numbers. The parts of prescription: there are total 9 parts of prescription: prescriber's name, degree, address and telephone number, patient's name, address, age and the date of prescription, superscription, inscription, subscription, signa, prescriber's signature, refill directions, and dispense as written. These are the parts of prescriptions. Generally, a prescription consists of the following parts: prescriber's name, degree, address and telephone number. In the case of prescriptions coming from a hospital or multi-center clinic, the hospital or clinic's name, address and telephone numbers appear at the top. In such a case, the physician's name and degree would appear near his or her signature. Patient's name, address, age and the date of prescription. The superscription, which is represented by the Latin sign RX. This sign represents take though or you take or recipe. Sometimes this sign is also used to denote the pharmacy itself. The symbol is used to designate Jupiter, the god of healing. The inscription is the general content of the prescription. It states the name and strength of the medication either as its brand, proprietary or generic, that is non-proprietary name. In the case of compounded prescriptions, the inscription states the name and strength of active ingredients. The subscription represents the directions to the dispenser and indicates the type of dosage form or the number of dosage units. For compounded prescriptions, the subscription is written using English or Latin abbreviations. Example provided as follows: M.ET.FT.SOL.DISP 6 means mix and make solution, dispense 6. The signa, also known as transcription, represents the directions to the patient. These directions are written in English or Latin or a combination of both. Latin directions in prescriptions are declining, but since they are still used, it is important to learn them. Example is as follows: 2 caps bid 7 days. Take 2 capsules twice daily for 7 days. The prescriber's signature, the refill directions, in which the information about how many times, if authorized, a prescription can be refilled is provided. Other information such as dispense as written. What we learned from this chapter: prescription. What is the prescription? Types of prescription and parts of prescription. Thank you.